Hello friends, welcome to Wednesday's video. For those of you that did not see my community post, I filmed a video for yesterday, Tuesday, and I came downstairs today to check it out and finish the filming, and it looks like absolute crap. So I decided to scrap that. I'm not one to usually scrap my fails. I still have the footage, but I couldn't, you guys. It was a beyond epic fail. So I'm gonna set that aside for when I feel up to actually trying it again. So instead, I'm gonna try something that I don't think I can fail at. Hopefully. I'm gonna try the viral TikTok raindrop coaster set. That's been, if you're on TikTok at all, or maybe even here on YouTube. I haven't looked on YouTube for for it on YouTube, but I'm absolutely positive that somebody out there has done it. But it's where you use UV resin, or I suppose you could use 2-part resin, but you use UV resin and you make little water droplets, and then you dust it with a mica powder. I'm going to use these chameleon powders from Let's Resin. You dust that, and then you pour your base color, which I'm going to do black on it. And then once you demold it and flip it over, it's supposed to look like really cool rain droplets. So we're going to give that a shot today. And like I said, I really don't think I can mess this one up. It's pretty straightforward. And honestly, you guys, after the disaster that was this morning, I need a win. So that's what I'm going to do. I think for the chameleon powder, I think I want to use this one. Aurora. That's the colors I think I want to go for, which is funny because it's like a pearly white on camera, but in real life it's a really vibrant pink and purplish hue. So maybe I'll do the other one in orchid. We'll do both. Yeah, since I already have both of them out. Okay, so that's the plan for today. This should be super easy. I also have a new mold coming in, so I'm going to delay my Thursday video until Friday, so that way I have enough time to get it in and actually get it poured, because it's quite large. I want to say it holds something like 10 fluid ounces of resin, so a lot of resin. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get my glovies on, and we'll get started in trying this trend. Okay? All right, let's go. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. It's been a while since we've had one. These are not going to be very exciting. They're just the baby skulls from my last video, I think. I poured these because I have a use for them in my upcoming video. It's like giving birth. Get out, Satan. Okay. So, yep. Just the usual little baby skulls. Alright. There's your very uninteresting bonus unmolding time. Alright, friends. These are cured. I'm so excited to see. Oh, cool. Wow. That's really cool looking. You know what it kind of reminds me of? It reminds me of the moon. Like the craters on the moon. Wow. Oh, that is very freaking cool looking. You know what's so funny? In the camera right now, it's blue and purple. But from what I'm seeing, you know, I'm going to take a picture so I can add it to here. Hold on. Okay. But from what I'm seeing, it's purple and purple. I'm not sure how well that's going to show up on this camera either. Yeah. So anyway, there's that picture. Very, very cool. Oh. I love the chrome color shift too. Wow. Hey, you know what? After the epic fail, I needed that win, and that is really cool looking. And I really do think that you could totally do something like this with never mind. I'm not going to say that because I might want to try that. So, anyway, that's the video today. Thank you for allowing me to, you know, shift my videos this week. Not that you guys had much of a choice in the matter, but yeah, I just really needed a win, and I'm glad that I have one now. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know. Hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
Live it up, live it up, live it up.